Hi everyone, my name is Auntie Shadi and you're on TriniKidsTV. Now, if you're here for the first time, hi and welcome to Circle Time. Let's start our Circle Time by singing our good morning song. So let's all sing together. Ready? Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all of our friends that are watching. Now, let's find out what day it is today. Well, yesterday was Wednesday. What comes after Wednesday? The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yes, today is Thursday. Yes, Thursday is our day of the week. After Thursday comes Friday. After Friday comes Saturday. Those are the days of the week. So today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. All day long. All day long. Yes. And we are in our new month, the month of March. Can you say March with me? March. March starts with the letter M. What sound does M make? M. Like in March. Good job, everyone. Now, let's find out about the weather. All right, but we have to sing our weather song, don't we? So let's sing together. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today, today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Well, now we can look out our windows, my friends, and see what kind of weather we are having today. Well, take a look. Yes, it's a cloudy day today. Yes, and a cloudy day is still a fun day to have fun outside and take in lots of fresh air. So, we have a cloudy day today. Now, let's find out about our color of the day. Our color of the day today is the color pink. Yes, pink is our color of the day. And do you know what, my friends? Pink is one of those colors that you definitely need to mix. You get pink when you mix white and red together. You get pink. Yes, so pink is our color of the day. And I'm sure you can find lots of things around your house that's pink. Actually, can you try and find something right now that's pink around you? It could be a pink piece of paper. It could be your ribbon in your hair. It could be lots of things. Did you find something pink? Great job, everyone. Now let's talk about our shape of the day. Our shape of the day today is a square. Yes, a square is our shape of the day. Well, what do we know about squares? Well, we know that squares have 4 sides and 4 equal corners. Squares are equal on all sides. A square is a very useful shape. We can find squares in lots of places. A square might be the shape of your window. A square might be the shape of your blocks that you like to play with. A square might be the shape of the piece of paper that you're writing on. Yes, squares are everywhere. We just need to look for them. All right, my friends, now let's find out about our number of the day. Our number of the day today, well, maybe we should wave our magic wand and the number of the day will appear on the screen. Are you ready? Let's say the magic words. Number of the day, come our way. Maybe we should try again. We should all say it together so that the number will appear on the screen. Are you ready? Let's go. Number of the day, come our way. Yes, our number of the day is the number 10. Yes, the number 10 is our number of the day. What can we do to count to 10? Well, maybe we should pretend that we're lifting up some heavy dumbbells and count to the number 10. Are you ready? Get your pretend dumbbells ready and your strong arms ready, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and come on, we can do it. 10. Great job, everyone. That was really good pretending that you're lifting a heavy dumbbell. Now, let's find out about our letter of the day. Our letter of the day today comes after the letter D. Well, do we know what that is? What's that? E. Yes, E is our letter of the day. Can we think of some words that might start with the letter E? Yes, there's egg. There's elephant. There's early, like when you get up early in the morning. Yes. Lots of E words. There are even some names that start with the letter E. Like Ernie. Yes, E is a very useful letter. Now, our letter of the day brings us to our area of the day. We are going to be talking about our area of the day from Trinidad. Our area of the day today is from central Trinidad and it's called Edingburgh. Edingburgh is an area in central Trinidad. It's widely populated by lots of houses and lots of people. There are also lots of business places. There's even nice places that you can visit to have fun. So Edinburgh might be a lovely place to visit, especially if you're in the central area. So Edinburgh is our area of the day. Are any of you from Edinburgh? Great! So let's say our alphabet together. Are you ready, my friends? Well, let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Great job, everyone. That was beautiful singing, and we said our alphabet. Yes. So now it's time for our lesson for today. Yes, my friends, it's lesson time. And today, since we've been talking about food this whole week, I'm kind of hungry. Yes. So I hope what we're talking about today can fill our bellies, don't you? Well, today we are going to be talking about the traditional food of Trinidad and Tobago. It's one of our favorites. We love it whenever we're going to the beach, whenever we're home, at any time. You're probably wondering what I'm talking about. That food is pilau. Yes, we love pilau, especially if you're taking a trip to the beach, and especially with some coleslaw on the side. Some people even like it with avocados. You can have pilau anywhere you like. There's pilau with chicken. There's pilau with beef. There's pilau with goat. There's pilau with even shrimp. But however you like your pilau, I hope you make it delicious and fun. Now, pilau is a popular dish in Trinidad and Tobago. It's one of our favorites. It's right there next to doubles, right? And we like our pilau. It's made with rice. It's made with peas, usually pigeon peas, but you can add any kind of peas you like. It's also made with a meat and vegetables. The vegetables that you might use are carrots. You can even use green peas. But however you decide to make it, it is simply delicious. Some people like the pilau with lots of coconut milk. Some people like their pilau with pepper. Anything you like to try. Pilau is a delicious local dish, and we just can't get enough of it. So today, I want you to help your mommies and daddies in the kitchen, and we're going to make some pilau. I'm going to show you what you need to do to make some pilau, and I hope you try it at home. But don't worry, if you're not able to make the pilau right now, you can draw a picture of your favorite type of pilau. It could be chicken, it could be beef, it could be pigtail, it could even be shrimp. But however you like your pilau, make sure that you make that beautiful picture and write the word pilau on your paper. So, let me show you the video how to make pilau. Right, get your ingredients together, your carrots, your peas, rice, chicken, and green seasoning. Chop your vegetables, wash them, chop them, get them together. Heat your pan, brown that sugar, and get it nice. Then throw in your chicken, let it cook for a little while, and then you're gonna add your rice and your peas, add the seasoning, and of course some coconut milk or water, and some more seasoning, and let it cook. Yes, cook for a while. Then you taste that pilau, make sure it's tasting nice, and you're all done. Pilau is done. Enjoy. All right, my friends, thank you so much for joining me today. I know you had a delicious pilau, or you made an amazing picture of your favorite kind of pilau. But whatever it is, I hope you had lots of fun. Now, don't forget to join me tomorrow, where we'll be making delicious fruit popsicles. I hope you saved your seeds from yesterday, and we'll have lots of fun. So, I'll see you next time, friends.